What's going on YouTube? It's me, and I don't know if you guys know the YouTube channel Grant Thompson, the King of Random, but he does some super sick science experiments. A lot of them too difficult for me to do, but he did do one that looked a little complicated, but certainly something I could do. And no, this is not advertising or like paid promotion. No, this I don't even know the guy. He doesn't even know me, but this is just me trying out one of his tricks. But anyway, I like slushies. Slushies are super slushy. Alright, so you can't exactly make this slushy quickly. It does involve freezing them for 3 hours and 15 minutes, but I'm sure it'll be worth it if it actually turns into a slushy. Now he used 500 milliliter bottles, but these are only 355 milliliters, but I'm sure he said it doesn't really matter the size. So these were in the refrigerator. They're not completely warm, so I don't know if I'll keep them in not quite as long, but I guess I'll just try what he did first. So he said before putting them in the freezer, you need to shake them up very violently to build up as much pressure as possible. So we're just gonna shake these up as much as we possibly can. And then open them all over the place. No, I'm just kidding. We wouldn't want to do that. But shake these as much as we possibly can to build up as much pressure. Alright, that looks good to me. So now we have to put them in the freezer for 3 hours and 15 minutes. So I have just started a timer. I don't know how well you guys can see that, but here we go. I have just started a timer, and I will be notified when it's over, and when it's almost done, I will get the camera going and take them out. So I'll see you guys in a few hours. Alright, you guys, the timer is about to go off. I will leave it here so you guys can hear it, and it's about time to get these babies out. Alright, so what we have to do is take it, loosen the cap, and then tighten it and quickly turn the bottle over. This may not work. I really hope they're not frozen. Oh, good, they're not. Alright, I do not know if this is going to work, but if it did, that would be amazing. Whoa! It worked! Oh my gosh, that actually turned to slush. Hold on, I don't believe it. Whoa, it actually worked. I am like in disbelief right now, you guys. Look, it's actually a slushy. I don't know how well you guys can see. Alexa, turn on the kitchen light. That actually turned to slush. Look at that. That is how you make a slushie. I gotta taste test this, guys. I did not actually think that was gonna work. I figured I would have done something wrong. But I'm sorry, I got a little battery message on my phone. I had to turn off. That consistency is awesome. It's not even quite like the slushie, but I almost like I do like the consistency better. If you don't believe me, that is a legit Mountain Dew slushie. That is so epic. Just take a look. That is legit slush. And it looked even more impressive in person. But that is how you make your very own soda slushie. It works with any soda as long as you do exactly the way I did it in the video. Make sure to go out and check out Grant Thompson's video because I am not the owner of this. So I will see you next time. Peace out.